All right, let's see what kind of demonstration I can do with this thing. I don't know why I never thought of this before, but we're gonna give it some zips. So take a mental note of where they're at now. And let's see what happens when we give it some zips. So we'll give it a zip and then check the progress. So here we go. Give it a zip, check the progress. Ooh, it looks like we're really close. Not quite there yet. Okay, let's give it another zip. Let's see if we overset anything. Nope, still not quite there yet. Another zip, and open. Let's see if we can overset one on purpose and see what that looks like. Yeah, opened it. Hold on, let's see here. There we go. Now, see how we have an overset pin here? Let's see what happens when we do a tension drop, tension bounce. So I'm just bouncing on the tension. Come on. Oh, there we go. Drop back down. And see, now we have this that dropped with it. So let's give it another zip. And see our status. Nope, almost there. Almost there. Zip. Did we overset? Nope, almost there. And open the lock.